If you are a content creator or business owner on TikTok and you've reached 1,000 followers and you're debating whether or not to go live, well, today I'm going to share with you everything you need to know about TikTok Live. So if this sounds like a topic you are interested in, do consider sticking around. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. I am Janine. I am a live video strategist, passionate about helping content creators and business owners generate more leads and sales using live video. And I thought I would talk about this topic on today's video simply because we are seeing a huge uptick, a surge in creators going live, a lot more on TikTok as TikTok is focusing a lot on live video. It's actually pushing more creators to go live for a longer period of time. If you're paying attention, you will see that TikTok's guidelines are to go live for a minimum of 30 minutes. So they really want us to go live and to spend time talking to our audience. Called blimey, I'm getting tongue-tied just thinking about it. Need a glass of water. But they want us to use the tool. So what I'm saying is that if you have been questioning whether or not this is a right strategy for you to go with, I absolutely 100% would encourage you to do so. Now, I did a video a few months ago talking about why I hate TikTok Live, and I'll pop a card up so you can go and check that out. However, I have to say that as the months have rolled on and I've been doing more research, learning the platform more, learning more about live video functionality, I thought it was only right that I came along, share everything that you need to know about going live on the old tickety-tock, as I like to call it. So let's get into it. Why go live? You can reach a new audience via the For You page. So TikTok's all about exposing us to new audiences. Just because of the nature of the platform, our content goes out on the For You page, and depending how our audiences respond to it will determine whether or not it goes out to more people. So what I'm saying to you is that why would you miss out on the opportunity for your voice to be heard in real time, your area of expertise to be heard by the ideal target audience that you're trying to reach? So take that opportunity. Don't just leave it to creating video on demand content, your short form video content for TikTok. No, dial in with live video as well. TikTok is one of the few platforms that still allows for a decent amount of organic reach. So whether it's your stories, whether it is your TikTok videos or live video, make sure that you are going in all the way with it. The next thing is live video on TikTok is still new and exciting. So that might sound like, really? Absolutely 100%. It might be stale like dry toast on the likes of the metaverse. I'm only kidding. But the fact of the matter is that live streaming has been around for a while. It was first introduced to me through Facebook back in 2016. In fact, actually, I first started live streaming on the Periscope app back in 2015. It is no more. Let me know in the comments if you actually know what I'm talking about. So essentially what I'm saying is that when it comes to live video on TikTok, it's relatively new because the platform itself is relatively new. And so why is that relevant? Well, it's because audiences who are now discovering live streaming through TikTok, they may have not necessarily done it on other platforms, are excited by this feature and this tool. And we know that with TikTok, you have to have 1,000 followers to be able to go live. So there is that kind of exclusivity where you have to reach a certain milestone before you can actually get into the club. So there is that energy of excitement around it. And with excitement and a new feature, there comes a willingness to participate and use it. Let me know what you think about it. So essentially what I'm saying is that when people are exposed to your live video content, because it's this new thing, they're more likely to engage, take action on it. So you need to take the opportunity, take advantage of it now and go live. So the next point is that audience participation and engagement is extremely relatively high. Remember I said that it's still relatively new, so people are excited to join in, participate. And if you are being clever and strategic at actively involving your audience in the conversation, they're going to take more action. So for example, in my live streams, they are averaging anywhere between 500 plus to over 1,200 views per live stream, and they are highly engaged. So right now, if you've got the capacity to go live, absolutely 100% do it. Talk to people, get them excited about your topic that you're sharing on, because remember, as a content creator and a business owner, talking on your unique message, your resounding message, you should be attracting the people that you want to talk to. So therefore, those people who are already interested in what you have to say, capitalize on it with TikTok Live. The next point is TikTok is pushing live video, so you average more reach. So I mentioned this earlier on. TikTok have made it clear that in 2023, they want more content creators to utilize the tool. And I want you to remember that whenever a platform introduces something that is new, or they make a focus on something, they're going to give the opportunity, and the window tends to be very little and gets smaller and smaller, but it means that the opportunity is there to have your content, our content, pushed to more people. So don't negate that. If the platform is telling you we want more live video and you are going live more consistently and frequently, and not only that, your live streams are highly engaging and people are taking action, that is going to help you to grow. And I'm going to be talking about how I actually went live for one single live stream, monetized, got over 200 new followers, as well as hitting over 180 people in the room at any one time. Think about the energy that you can bring to 180 people. If you was at an event talking to 180 people, that's a lot of amazing individuals to share your message with. Now, let me just preface and say, when you first start out, you may not get those numbers because, like with anything, the platform has to see if you're going to commit to utilizing this specific tool. And I'm going to be sharing my strategy. So if you have not yet subscribed, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn your notifications on, because you don't want to miss some of the secret growth hacks that I'm going to be sharing with you around growth using TikTok Live. Number 5, live video boosts the growth of your accounts. I've pretty much told you that, I've given that part away, but I've seen a number of content creators talking about exactly this point that I'm making, that every time that they've gone live, they've seen a surge of new followers. And if I'm being totally honest with you, I am seeing quicker growth from going live than I am from uploading my video content, even though my messaging is still the same. So essentially, that tells me that live video is working right now on TikTok, and it's not just for me, it's something that's going to be able to work for you as well. Now, I totally get it. You may be a bit shy, lacking in confidence around going live. I totally understand that, but this is why this channel has been created, to teach you all of the live streaming tips that you need that will help you not just on TikTok, but any of the platforms that you are marketing on. So I have a question of the day for you. What is your primary goal for growth on TikTok in 2023? Is it going to be live streaming? Is it going to be something else? Put it into the comments. Let's have a conversation. And I want to help you to grow when it comes to your content strategy, especially around live video. One of the things that I want to say is, if you have been questioning TikTok, whether or not your ideal client group's there, if there is a place for you, absolutely 100%. Your client is looking for you. If you're checking out any of the statistics that are being shared, we're seeing TikTok being used more and more as a search engine. So if you don't know where to start and you want some tips, guidance, I'm going to encourage you to click onto this playlist right here that's going to teach you all things that you need to know to help you get set up and started with TikTok in 2023. And I will see you on the next video.